is a set of 1/4-inch bits by Högert Technik for corded drills, rechargeable cordless drills, as well as hammer drills. The set comes in a convenient plastic case with a belt clip. A transparent top helps to find a missing bit. A magnetic quick-release mechanism applied to a holder makes locking and unlocking bits very secure. A special slim profile allows for getting into tighter, hard-to-reach areas. Color-coded bits help to identify an appropriate type. When it comes to types, the set contains 4 Phillips, 4 Posi-Drive, 4 slotted, 4 hex, 7 Torx, 7 Torx with a bore hole, and a socket adapter. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.